headed to Italy through Dubai.
الحاجة ستتجلى أقلاع الأكسجين تلقائيا تدفق الأكسجين.
Okay, I got myself a room because I really need to lay flat and rest a little bit before boarding my next flight, which is at 9 a.m. So I have like a good solid 7 hours. I'll be here. Okay, I'm headed to my boarding gate now, and I have maybe 2 more hours to kill before boarding. I'm gonna be working. I want to talk a little bit about traveling because like Dubai airport, everything is open 24/7. It was busy. I'm pretty sure when the time's right, it's busier, but yeah, let's travel.
مرحبا بكم على
Made it. Let's go. Back to my old stomping ground. Check.
Everything.
The bath. The bed. Excuse me?
Yes.
So cute.
The living room.
Why are you? I made it. I want to talk a little bit about my flight. I flew from Taipei through Dubai to Venice, and I have to say, I love Emirates. Flight was so smooth. Transit in Dubai was amazing. Seems like after a year, they know what they're doing. Every question is answered. Every problem was situated. Yeah, I love Dubai airport. I'm glad to see that the world is opening up, seeing people coping with this pandemic. I'm excited to be here, Italy. The last time I was here was 4 years ago. Glad to be back.
To 570 million times.
Grocery shopping.
This is the plural, see?
Castagni.
Castagni. Okay, wait here. I go get a fucking.
See? See? Look at this beautiful aisle full of my favorite snacks. I'm gonna gain so much weight.
나머리는
weather is gloomy today. All the snacks we got yesterday. Yep.
So you hear this bottom maybe it's now and then. It really is the end of summer. After sunset, it gets pretty chilly, but I'm glad to have a glorious day by the beach. Beautiful. Brie, formaggio brie, funghi
Funghi,
e salsiccia, sausage,
salsiccia.
patatine fritte e last but not definitely not least salsa rosa. Tac.
Such a beautiful day. Codino.
Gingerino.
Codino.
Codino, gingerino, ok.
Of course not.
And his son realized that it's much easier Venetian than Italian because, like Taiwanese, you know, there's some expression you define in 2 words, and in Italian you need an actual translation to explain that.
Oh, there's certain expression that can only be expressed in the dialect.
Like we were saying, exactly what we were saying yesterday.
Yeah.
I cannot even look at you; it's too bright.
Like it's bright.
Oh, there you go. Is it warm there? Yeah.
It's nice. Very nice. Summer's never ending, bro.
I think this is pretty. Este es high because the top is too low.
You're low. You're low.
Okay, whatever.
Tie it behind.
Ecco qua.
Eccolo qua.
And the winner is. Grazie.
Grazie mille.
Ciao.
Oh, the guard died. Oh.
Guarda un po' che culo.
Anico. Ciao. Darcy. Seduta? Seduta? Seduta. Piano, piano, seduta. Brava. I didn't ask for you yet. Can't wait, huh? Piano, piano. Vai.
Guarda che te ne dà prima perché...
Back. Like in the middle.
Mamma mia.
Better?
What are we doing right now, Lulu?
Colazione. Let's go get a coffee. Cappuccino, whatever you like.
Siamo visti venerdì.
Polenta, salsiccia, crosticini di maiale, pancetta e
Pancetta.
pollo.
Scarico, non è che lei. Poi io vedo che tu hai l'acqua qualcosa.
Stopped raining finally. The air is so fresh.